There we go. And we're gonna be using some hinges, different variety of hinges. We got a number 1 hinge, number 1 hinge, number 1 hinge, and a number 2 hinge. And I don't know why I'm going with these different hinges, but it's all I had. Okay, so we're gonna move these hinges right here, and we'll start with this one. And what we'll end up doing, so this is a Wayne Dalton hinge. Let's say we go with the Wayne Dalton product. Give it a good shake. You guys remember those shake weights? Okay, enough of that. So, it's got a nice little red nozzle there, and we're just gonna spray. Nice. We'll cap that off. This is not a bad lubrication because I don't see any sticky residue film.